Okay, welcome back, Southern California POS Systems, showing you how to use Future POS. Hold and fire. This would be a quick video. How do you hold an item and how do you send it off to the kitchen when it's ready? So we're gonna log in and we're gonna start a ticket. Okay, we're clocked in. Add a couple appetizers for table number 21. Okay, and we got we got the entree. Okay, plain. All right, that's how they want that. Okay, so this item, I'm not gonna send this order just yet, okay, because I don't want the chicken to be to go to the kitchen. I want these appetizers, but they're not ready for the chicken yet. They'll let me know when they're ready. So I am going to choose the item that I want to hold, and I'm going to set a fire delay. That this sometimes you'll see as a button say a hold, right? Or it could say set fire delay, however you want it to show. It doesn't matter. We can program it any way you want. So that said, you can see the colors changed here a little bit. Now I know this is on hold. I'm gonna send this order. All right. And when I'm ready to look at this order again, although this is say that this is green, this item has not been sent because it's letting me know, hey, it's not been sent to the kitchen yet. When I'm ready to fire this item off, I'm just going to highlight it and I'm going to do a manual fire item. Okay. Now you can see that the item is in black. You got the green button along the side. This item's definitely been sent to the kitchen. All right. That was a quick video on how to set fire delays or holds and how to manually fire items off when the customers are ready for them. You can set timers, and we'll show you how to do that next time with Future POS so that items will fire after a certain number of minutes. Thank you very much for following along. I hope this was helpful. Keep following the videos to learn more about how to use Future POS brought to you by SoCal POS.